Number 5. Perixx PeriBoard 512. Meet the Perixx PeriBoard 512. Unlike traditional keyboards, its unconventional design might seem quirky at first, but it proves to be a game changer once acclimated. With its integrated palm rest, anyone suffering from wrist discomfort will find immediate relief. This keyboard stands out with laser-printed keys. No one likes worn-off letters, especially after long-term use. Perixx's solution ensures your keys stay legible and clean. Multimedia keys are a delightful bonus. Imagine managing volume, browsing, checking emails, and even putting your computer to sleep with just a tap. It's more than convenient, it's essential for efficient multitasking. Its split ergonomic design diverges from conventional keyboards. Those familiar with standard setups might find it odd initially. Your fingers will soon adapt, making typing more natural and comfortable. It does demand desk space, spanning 19 inches long and over 9 inches deep. Anyone with a compact setup might reconsider, but if you've got room to spare, this is a non-issue. One slight hiccup exists. It might take a bit of time to get used to its layout. A minimal learning curve shouldn't deter potential buyers, as the Perixx PeriBoard 512 offers far more benefits than drawbacks. I've grown particularly fond of the ergonomic split as well as the static print keys. Those little conveniences amplify overall user satisfaction. Anyone yearning for a comfortable and efficient keyboard experience will find it hard to resist. Dive deeper and discover the delights of the Perixx PeriBoard 512 for yourself.